What's up, guys? Aaron with Twins Garage. Got the heads back. Where are they? Oh, right there. Got both the heads back, so we're going to be getting this engine put back together this week. And we also finally got the Evo done. So that's down, but we have a little issue with the Evo. I'll show you that right now. The Evo is not wanting to start. So here are the heads, looking nice and clean. They got remachined, everything. And I'm going to get ready to put them back in. I'm gonna order some new of these. They call them half moons. I don't know if that's something that's supposed to get replaced. I'm missing one here, which probably got lost at the machine shop. So I gotta order one anyway. So I'm just gonna order all new ones. I don't know if, like I said, if that's something that's supposed to get replaced, but I'm going to do it anyways. I gotta put the new oil pan on. I got a gasket that I ordered, and it's one of these cork gaskets that I hate, so I'm going to see if I can find a rubber one so I can get the oil pan put back on. Then I'll get the head studs in, and then put the heads on. I've been trying to clean up as much as I can of this grease. I've been putting stuff on there to let it soak and then cleaning it off, but it's probably about as clean as it's gonna get. I'm going to also start pulling the rest of these rubber hoses because they're all getting replaced. This one was capped off and I'm unsure why, but I got a new cap that I'll put on that. And yeah, that should be about it. Get the heads on, and then we can start doing timing and all that. I'm going to make a different video of me actually assembling the engine. And the reasoning I'm going to do that is because I'm going to make a step-by-step tutorial on how to assemble the engine. And this video is just kind of a vlog update, and then my next video will be a step-by-step instruction on how to assemble the engine. Heading over to the Subaru, I have everything just kind of test fitted on there. The new core support, not welded on, is just clamped on right now. Everything is pretty even. I found out some bad news. First off, I'm not using this hood. It's just for testing purposes. I thought the core support would line up with the holes, which, as you can see, it doesn't come close. It's completely different. It turns out you just pretty much got to test fit everything. Until you get it right, tack it on, test fit, and if it looks good, you continue to weld it on, and then you have to cut all this access off to allow the headlights to fit in. If I would have known that from the beginning, I probably would not have done this swap, but now that I'm already here, I'm going to continue forward, and I'm very happy I picked up these new fenders because they're almost flawless, other than a few minor scratches. Back to the Evo. A friend of mine's gonna bring a computer over later this week to hook it up, and so we can check. The exhaust is not on yet because Josh went through a mud hole and he needs to clean it. Well, he wants to clean it before putting it back on. So I haven't really been making videos other than the engine disassemble lately, just because I've been really focusing on trying to get that engine disassembled. So I hadn't really made a lot of vlogs. So I just want to talk about a quick update. I've talked about it, I believe, in one of the previous videos. I got my new fuel pump for the E85 swap. I just have the injectors to order, and I have to order my new braided fuel line still, because I'm doing the parallel fuel mod, which allows even flow to all cylinders of fuel. So I still have to order that, and quite a bit of other things, to be honest, but I have finally ordered the AVCS wiring kit, so I can wire that in here as soon as I get it. I'm going to make a tutorial video on how to do that because I cannot find a single video online on how to do that. So I'm going to make one, and yeah, pretty much from here on out, we're going to be doing quite a bit of assembling the car. I have a ton of parts. Basically the full head gasket rebuild kit here. Here's some more gaskets. Here's my inner tie rods. I have some outer tie rods, ball joints, a bunch of other fancy stuff in there. That's the box of TGVs came in, but those are in the garage. I painted them. My timing kit, and there's my pump. Oh, ARP head studs. What's up, guys? Just left Andrews. I got the engine all unbolted from the trans, and it's lifted up out of the motor mounts, but not having an actual hoist or cherry pick or anything, it's been tough to try to get the engine actually out of the engine bay. I got the back full of parts. I got the downpipe back there. I got one of the back doors. Tons of miscellaneous other parts that I'm going to either use for mine or sell. Anyways, gonna head back to my house, unload everything, and jump in the shower and clean up. And tomorrow or Wednesday, I'm going to head back to Andrews, and we are going to try to get that engine pulled.
You're adding an extra 200 horsepower, so you're already up there. Mm-hmm. Is that your?
Woo! Okay guys, we had a little bit of a car meet slash grill out yesterday. Tons of people showed up. We met quite a few new friends from Canada and New Jersey that had come up to visit one of the guys in the group, and so they all came and we had a great time. A lot of cool cars showed up. I didn't get too much footage. I filmed a little clip right in the beginning when people started showing up, but I didn't get much footage of all the cars, and then I have a few clips of people leaving. So you already saw those, but anyways, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, like, subscribe. And I started working on the AVCS install. I got one side done just because I wanted to see how it was. So I got one side installed of the harness, so then I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna make a video on it, and then I'm also gonna start the video on doing the ARP head studs and the head gaskets on the Subaru's engine here. I may start later today, filming process. So anyways, please comment, like, subscribe, and peace. See you guys next time.